Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the slide holder on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new slide holder for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the freezer door, then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Then, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. Slide the pinion shaft to the right, removing it from the left-hand pinion gear. Then remove the shaft from the other gear. Fully extend the lower drawer glide, then using a T20 Torx bit, remove the 2 screws holding it in place. Depress the retaining tab and slide the glide out of the holder. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove these 4 bolts holding the slide holder in place. If you need to purchase a new slide holder, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the pins on the slide holder to the holes in the freezer compartment housing. Then, reinstall the screws. Slide the lower drawer glide into the slide holder until it snaps into place. Then fully extend the glide. Reinstall the 2 screws. Insert the pinion shaft into the right-hand gear as far as it will go. Then align it to the left-hand gear, insert, and slide into place. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.